So hey guys, welcome back to my Python series, and today in this video we will learn filter function in Python. So filter function is used with lambda basically to actually filter out the list. So let's just take one example that we have a list of items and we have to filter out the list on the basis of some criteria. So on that case, filter function is used. So let's just now write some code to understand in a better way. Just say we have a list of some numbers like this. Now let's just say we want to filter out this list and we just have to store our items which are even uh, in some list. So let's just now store our result returned by the filter function in a variable result, and uh, similar like my previous video, we just have to store this items. Let's just say we just want to convert our result in a list, so we will just write our list function. And right here inside the list function we will write our filter function, and inside our filter function we just have to pass two parameters. The first parameter will be the criteria, or let's just say that each and every member present inside this new list will have to pass that criteria, and if it does, then only it will be stored in our this list result, or else it won't be stored. So here in our first parameter we will just write lambda x, and here I have already said we just want our even numbers in this list, so we will just write this expression for it. And in the second parameter we will have to pass our actual list, which is new list. So once you have done this you are good to go, and let's just say we will have to print our result. And here in the output you can see our result is printed. And here inside our list there are only even numbers. So this is how you can filter out a list on the basis of a criteria. So this was a video about filter function in Python. So if you have any question or doubt regarding it, you can ask me in the comment section. I will be there to help you.